Hi, I'm Morgan. I am a Etsy shop owner and mom of two toddlers, a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old, and then another one on the way. And so my life is really crazy with family life and also work. So before the course, I was getting up at like 3:34 in the morning to, do meditation and work out, but also I was working on my Etsy shop. And I really didn't have like a clear sense of direction. I was kind of just like, that was my time to look at inspiration and try to look at like the videos and resources online, but they were just kind of like everywhere. I was trying to put the pieces together, and it was just really challenging for me. I had had 2 other previous online businesses that did not work out, and they did not have any kind of like coaching or coursework with that. And so I knew that was one of like the things that kept me from excelling in those shops, is that I was totally on my own, and I always felt like I needed just someone there to give me like a little bit of guidance in terms of like what's next. So now, since being in the course, I've gone from like intermittent sales here and there with print on demand to daily consistent sales. And then not only that, I'm now launching into physical products, so I'll have both of those things. And I would have never known how to kind of bridge the two together, which I think is going to be key. Another big key for Dylan's course that I've been able to implement is not only seeing where I'm at now and what to do right now in my shop, but also where I'm going to be multiple steps along the way. And that's going to, I think, be the big ticket in terms of what is the game changer for my Etsy shop this time around compared to my previous online businesses. So I'm super excited to see where Etsy continues to take my business. And if you have any hesitations about the course, just know that it was a big financial investment for me and my family, especially again coming from 2 failed businesses. But I knew at the same time that I was determined to make it work. And if you're determined to make it work, you'll find a way. So dive on in and bite the bullet and see where Etsy can land you with Dylan's course.